Here's what we're going to do. You release access to the front ashtray. To remove the ashtray here, there's a little lock, right? You put it to the side, pull it here, look. The front ashtray comes out in this part of the front and pull it up, look. Pulled one side, pulled the other. Here, look, it's released here. If you push it forward, look, it's just locked, look. It's already free. And then here you can. There are some locks here on this finish, look. Just release here, look, to take out the whole set, look. Then here we'll be able to do some work here, right? Right here, look. On this side there are some locks. It's like this. It's minimal. Not even to force, otherwise it'll break. Look, it's already released here. Released. Then just pull it out. This lid here is open. I'm going to release the cigarette lighter whip here, which I've never seen before. It comes out to the side. You normally pull it down. Not this one, you pull it to the side. Look. In this position, if you take out the ashtray, you already have a lot of space here. And then you can take a little bit of force out of it. That's it. This piece is already free. You take it out here and see how much space you have here. Put it in here and close it, for example. Then, connect the cigarette lighter here again. Just fit it. It fits here. Then you come. It has a hinge here. Remember when we put it in with the lid open? You come here, look. Fit it, put it in the back, look. Just turn here and fit the little latches here. Look, it's in place.